Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here on the Scoop Studio at Apex 2019. I'm joined by Martin from Topline. Thanks for stopping by to chat to me. Zero ohm jumpers.
Yes.
Tell me a bit about the novel system that you've developed and the applications you use them for.
Well, one of the best ways to start is to talk about the old style 2-pin zero ohm jumper that it looks like a resistor. But that doesn't give the board designer enough flexibility. We manufacture zero ohm jumpers with 3 pins, 5 pins, 16, as many pins as required, and offer the customer an opportunity to have any pin cross with any pin inside the component.
Okay. And is that a unique component, or is there a manufacturing technology that allows you to do that?
Well, they look just like a normal component. They're picked up with a pick-and-place machine, goes through the regular SMT process, but the component itself is unique in that there's a bonding wire that's connecting the pins, the selected pins that the customer wants together.
Okay. And are you using a specific bonding system to do that, or?
Just, normal bonding with 1-2 mil wire. It can be double bonded for extra current. It can be configured any way that is required to handle the voltage or the current.
Okay, and when you look at the demand that where this has come from, is it just pure density of designs or keeping layer count down? What's driving the demand?
So several things are actually driving the demand. First is on the fly, if a board has been already designed and a change is made, so you've got all these boards designed that you can't use, but a jumper can be easily added to remove the old component and jumper out that circuit, and then the board is usable again. So that's one thing driving it. But also, interestingly, in the design cycle, when a board designer is designing a board, especially let's say a single layer board, there's no opportunity to go to a second layer. It's a single layer board. So a jumper can be used on the surface like a normal component and literally bridge across a tracing to the next place. So yes.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. And what kind of response have you had to the product? How long has the product been available, and what's the response of the market?
we've actually had the product in the field a long time. Okay. It's been tested, and the market is growing as customers learn about the availability of jumper. It's something that most customers think about as a two-leaded resistor, but that the thing is that there are a lot of circuits that have to be jumpered on a 45-degree angle from place to place. Our components can jumper on a 45-degree angle or on any angle you want. So that's the uniqueness of it. It can be used as a solution on the fly to keep a board active, or it can be used at the design stage as part of the planned use of the circuit.
Yeah, and you must have to reach out to designers in different ways. Are the IPC designer groups part of what you do to educate PCB designers on the opportunities they've got with your products?
Yeah, we're educating a lot of customers, and the reaction is, "Oh, I didn't know it was available." And that's the exciting part, is that we have literally a catalog with more than 50 pages that show all the different configurations. It helps the imagination, helps the customer go, "Oh, you know what? I can use that."
Yeah.
Or they may say, "You have something close. Can you modify it for something I can use?" And the answer is yes, we do that.
Okay, so you're giving them that eureka moment, and you're giving them the solution as well.
Yes.
Sounds fantastic. Martin, thanks for your time.
You're very welcome.
And thank you for stopping by.
Thank you, Phil.
Thanks.